The engineering program here at Principia is designed in an environment that is small enough that gets all the support that it could get, both from faculty and as well as the logistics that we have here.
We get to do so many different hands-on activities. We really get to learn by doing. I am a very visual learner and I love being involved in projects, and so being here allows me to be able to do that, and I really get to understand the material.
Some of the projects I've been involved with here at Prin include doing a lot of work with the machine shop and learning how to machine different things using different tools. I've also spent a lot of time learning how to 3D print so that I can 3D print prototypes for certain engineering applications. Another thing that I've taken a lot of time to do is be a part of the solar car team, where I've learned a lot of technical skills as well as overall knowledge about how to actually design and engineer a whole car.
From a liberal arts standpoint, learning to think critically and problem solve has really helped me to apply those same principles to my practice in engineering.
One of the challenges most engineering students are going to face is really having a one-on-one advising with their faculty.
I really valued the small class sizes here at Prin that have helped me foster relationships with my professors that make me feel really supported and like I can succeed in the engineering program here.